crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and tonight I have Annie's box that just arrived, and I will tell you part of the problem between Thanksgiving, Black Friday, up to Black Friday, after Black Friday, between now and Christmas. There's just been so many bargains, and it's really just, I've tried to ignore a lot of them, but I will tell you, Annie's has some of the coolest projects, but I'm just not willing to pay the cost for some of the projects. So what happens, Annie puts them all on sale, clearance, whatever, and guess what? I ended up with some of Annie's projects. So I'm excited to see what those look like, to see what how they actually work. I see them pop up on Facebook all the time, and because of that, I just had to grab a few. So as you know, I am a huge Halloween fan, so this is the Boo Crew, designed by Joanne Hoffman, and it is a bench pillow. And what are two things that people love? I love Halloween, and I love gnomes. So how cool. This kit includes the signature Ballet Batiks, hand dyes and Spectrum digital fabrics, laser cut and pre-fused pieces for easy applique, and Joanne Hoffman's clear and easy to follow instructions. Finished kit is 16 by 38. I'm not sure. I don't remember what regular price was on this, but I got this for $45. So we're not going to say that real loud because Curtis is in the other room wrapping my Christmas gifts. But I just thought this was too cute, and it will definitely end up somewhere in our home. The next thing I bought was this Day Tote and Cosmetic Clutch. It was actually a combination. And again, it comes as a complete kit. Fabrics from Flower Garden by Echo Park Paper for Riley Blake Designs. And I just thought this was a really cute combination. It's a really cool looking tote and a clutch to go with it. I thought it would be a fun project. I like that Annie's does come as complete kits in that. So I grabbed that, and that was $11.99, people. I could not buy all the fabrics and pattern and put this to, for $11.99. So, and I did pay shipping, but $11.99. What else did I get? I also purchased the Autumn Day rug. I have not done a rug, surprise, surprise, but I think these are so cool, and I really found this one because I've seen the circular ones or the oval ones, but I've not seen any squared off like this, and I thought this was such a cool pattern. And again, this was $11.99, so $12. I don't know that I could have bought the jelly roll or whatever is used for this. This is Autumn Day Rug, the fabrics by Nancy Mink for Wilmington Prints, and it doesn't say on here, at least on the front, how big the rug finishes out. But again, for $12, there's no way that I was going to be able to buy all that without this type of sale. And then I did grab this. I do like table runners. I want to do more table runners because sometimes I just like doing the table runners and something like this or the totes and that, because I like to see projects completed, and I really want to get more into the sewing and less YouTube just posting talking heads all the time. I want you all to see me actually physically work the machines and talk, and I really feel for Sean, the guy who sews, because it's just amazing to watch him, and he's sewing, he's ripping, and he's managing to host his YouTube channel all at the same time. That's where the level I want to get to. But with that said, I grabbed this Cha-Cha-Cha table runner. I really liked the colors in that were came in this kit. And again, thought it was a good value. I did pay $24 for it. It was one of the more expensive things that I bought. But again, it came with all the fabrics, instructions, and that. So for right at $100, I got 4 complete kits of stuff. I just don't think you can beat that. So we'll see. Like I said, I've not done any stuff with Annie. I've seen it pop up constantly on Facebook, so she must have a really aggressive poster that's helping her, helping the ads and all that pop up. But it worked because I think I got some great bargains here. The truth will be in the pudding when I actually get them put together. So with that said, my name is John. You landed in Geistcraft 2. I appreciate each and every one of you dropping in. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. You want to be notified next time a video comes out, hit that bell. And as always, tell your friends, neighbors, and anyone you can think of about our channel and ask them to subscribe. We appreciate each and every one of you. We're over 650 now and well on our way to 700. Just very blessed, very humbled, and appreciate each and every one of you for tuning in, listening, and chatting with us. So with all that said, we appreciate you dropping by, and until next time, happy crafting.